Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a log wall. So this is the examples I am showing you. So this wall you can create easily using Revit architecture software. Okay, so I am going to show you some of the examples. Okay, so this kind of wall you can create, and then you can create this kind of a wall. So these walls are called wooden log walls. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get my new video updates. And in the last session I have explained you the basic theory of Revit architecture, and the basic settings should be done in the Revit architecture before starting a project, and as well as I have explained you how to create customized template in Revit software. Okay, so if you have not watched this video, do watch the video and check in the description to watch that videos. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here I'm going to enter into this architectural template 2019. So you just click this. So once you click, you will enter into a Revit architecture software. So now we have entered into a Revit architecture software. So this log wall you can create using here we have wall. So we are going to create this kind of wall using curtain walls. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. So you just click on a wall. So here you just go to wall properties here and select the storefront wall. Okay, so once you create storefront wall, so here I will make it to level 2, and just I will create one wall. So you just create a wall. Fine. Okay, so once you create a wall, so I will just make it to shaded, and I will make it to detail wall. Okay, so if you go to 3D, so here we have storefront wall. So here we have to edit some of the elements here to create round wooden log walls. Okay, so here for that what you need to do, you just select the curtain wall, then you need to go to edit type. So once you go to edit type, so here you just observe carefully. So I am going to create vertical wooden log wall. So for that you need to switch off this horizontal mullions. So I'll just switch off this all the mullions. So sorry. Okay, so if you just switch on this, you just give apply. See, you will get only vertical mullions here. You just click on this delete mullions. So all the horizontal mullions has been deleted. Okay, so next you have, so here we need to delete this glazing also. For that you need to go to glazing here. Here we have curtain panel. So here you just click on this empty system panel and just give OK. So afterwards what you need to do, so I will just delete this end vertical mullions. So for that you need to go to border here. So here in the vertical mullion you just click on this none. So I'll just make it none. Just give apply and click on delete mullion. Okay, so after that you just this vertical grid continuous, you just make it non-defined and just give okay, apply. So next what you need to do, so afterwards what you have to do, maximum spacing you need to give fixed number. Okay, fixed or else you just give fixed distance and give it to, I will just give it to 4 inch. Okay, so you just give apply. So here we have some of the mullions. So I will show you, so you will come to know how to create all these things. So here I will just switch off this horizontal grids, give apply. Okay, and just click on mullion. So vertical grids also I will make it none and just give apply and just click on delete. Next, vertical mullions you need to give it to this, and then you have to give here, sorry, you need to give fixed number. So yeah, fixed number. Okay, fine, and just give okay. So here we have created this grids. I will just make it to shaded. Yeah, so this we have created grids. So now we need to edit this. So we need to edit this mullions. So I will show you how to create a profile of this mullion. So for that, what you need to do, you need to, so what you have to do, so here you need to go to file, then you need to go to create new family. Okay, you just go to new family. So here you need to edit the profile. So for that you have to go to here in the family, you need to go to profile. So here we have profile mullion, and just give open. Okay, so here you need to edit this mullion here. So I'll just edit the profile. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to create it. So for to create a profile of the mullion, so what you need to do, you need to go to profiles here. Here you will get the circular. So I am going to create a round logs. So I will just give 4 inches. Sorry, not 4 feet. It should be 4 inches. Okay. So afterwards I will just copy this. So you just copy. Then you just select from here. It should be 2. Yeah. So you can do it. So I'll just give copy, you enter, and you can make it to 3 inches. Yeah. So now this. So yeah. So from here you need to give. So this is total. We have 4 inches. So 1 minute. I'll just check the distance of this. So what you need to do, you just go to create again. So I will give 2 inches because it will take a radius of that. So you just give 2 inches. Okay, so once you give 2 inches, again you need to come to copy, select the profile, and you just make it from here. It should be 3 inches. Okay, see total. So you just check the distance of this from here to here. It is 1 inch. Okay, so next you need to trim this. So what you have to do, you just select this and this, and then again you need to split this also. So again go to trim, select this and this, and this, select this and this. Okay, and you can select this also, and just select it, and you can delete this. So here we have. So this is the profile we have created. So next what you have to do, so this we have total 4 inch dia, and the distance we have here, we have around 1 inch. Okay, so next what you need to do, you need to click on this load into project. So once you click on load into project, again you need to, so I will just make it 3D. So here in the project browser you need to come to family. Here you need to select curtain wall mullion. So you can select any one here. So I will just select this circular mullion and make this duplicate. You just right click here and click on duplicate, and you can rename it. So you just give log wall. Okay, then double click on this log wall. Then here you will get one property type window. So here what you have to do, you need to go to here profile. You just select the family which you have created. Select the family and just give OK. See here. Okay, so afterwards what you have to do, once you create the circular mullion family, what you have to do, you just select the curtain wall, go to edit type, then here in this vertical mullion you just select the profile as log wall, what I have created here. You just select it and give apply and OK. See here we have. So here we have created. So you just observe carefully. Okay, Yeah, so here we have created. So but it should rotate like this, right? So what you need to double click on this log wall in the project browser. You just want to rotate this. So what you will do, so just give 90 degree and just give apply. So here we have, okay, so here we have, but so you just observe here, it has to, see here, so you just make it vertical. So what you can do, so here it has been rotated, but here we have some gap. You just observe here we have some gap, so you can fill those gaps. So how to fill those? Again select this vertical mullion, go to edit type. So here whatever we have given the distance, see here we have given the distance of 1 inch, right? So that you need to provide the distance here. Select this, go to edit type, then you need to click on this fixed distance. You just give 1 inch here. You just apply. So if you apply, see here, okay, so you just give, so here we have 2 inches and just give apply. Yeah, it is intersecting, so I will just give 4 inches, sorry, not 4 inches, you just give 3 inches, okay. Yeah, here we have, see, here we have created this logs, see, exactly it has been intersected. So now, so this we need to change the material, right? That should be wooden material. To change the wooden material, so what you have to do, so I will just give the distance of this, I will just give 15, okay, so and I will just reduce the height of this, okay, fine. See here what you can do, you just go to log wall family here, what we have created in the project browser. Here we have the material, you just select the material, so this should be wood, right? So you need to assign the wood material for this log wall. See here, you just select the wood material here. So here just give wood. Yeah, you just select any sash material or this soft lumber and click on this use render appearance. Yeah, we have given everything here and just give OK. So if you just give OK, the material has been assigned. See here, so we have assigned the material, okay, see. So this is how you can create a log wall. See, if you go to realistic, you will find this wall, see. So again, so what you can do, I will just go to level 1 and you just reduce the size of this I will give 10 feet, okay. Again, if you want to create this, select this, create similar, and you can create the same thing here. So from here you just create the walls like this, okay. So if you go to 3D, you will get the round log wall here. See, here we have, okay. So this is how you can create round log walls. So what you can do, you just select both the walls and give the height should be, top of it should be this, you can give -4, yeah, okay. So this is how you can create a round log wall. See here we have this default material. Suppose if you want to assign the log wall whatever we have in the thumbnail, if you want to assign the property, what you need to do, you need to download the texture. See, already I have downloaded the log texture here, so you can observe the log texture. So this texture I am going to assign as a material property, okay. So here see, this texture I am going to assign this. Okay, so what you have to do, so I'll just close this. So if you want to assign the particular material, so what you need to do, you just select this and go to edit type. So here, sorry, not in this, you just select the wall. So this is the new family, right? You need to click on this project browser family, then you need to select this material. So once you select it, here you need to create new material. Okay, so here you can create new material. So what you can do, so I'll just give rename. So rename, this is wooden log. Okay, so you just give, and you need to assign material. For that you need to click here, assign material. Then, so sorry, not here. So what you need to do, you need to click on this use rendering, and then you need to click on appearance. So here you need to change. Here we have image. In the appearance, you just select the project browser here, sorry. So you just click on this, and select where you have saved the image. Here we have in the desktop, here we have vintage. Select it and give OK. So here material has been assigned. Okay, so the texture has been assigned, and then you need to give OK. So once you give OK, so the whatever the material you have given, that will be assigned to this. See here, so all of you are getting. So this is how you can create the property. So this is how you can create the log wall. So I'll just reduce the size of this. I'll just give 6 feet. Okay, so I'll just give 3D. So suppose if you want to create opening here, just select the wall and click on the edit profile. So you can easily edit the wall profile here. So what you will do, I'll just go to shaded. So you can, so I'll just go to hidden lines here. So I'll just select this from here to here, here to here, just create a wall. Then I'll just split this line, then trim this from here to here to here. Sorry, so go to trim, select this and this, and just give OK. Yeah, see, here we have got the opening of this. So if you go to realistic, see, you will get this. See, this is how you can create a log wall. Okay, you can give minus 6. Yeah, so this is how you can create the wall. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood how to create this wooden log wall. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get my next video updates. Okay, thank you, bye bye.